Starting around 23 October 2023, Bitcoin Money sort of is exchanging at $243.58 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. BCH truly has in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $4,759,485,649, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $254,297,082, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This sort of makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, really positioning at 18 in the digital currency market in an exceptionally large manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Bitcoin Money cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin Money basically be somewhat worth in 2023, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is Bitcoin Money a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will BCH cost generally outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? These really are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, so this certainly makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, sort of positioning at 18 in the digital currency market, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin Money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost is supposed to cross in every way that really matters, normal value level of $259.46, the normal least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $248.26 in an especially enormous manner. Besides, BCH can really arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $285.43 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin Money cost basically is estimate to arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $214.92 in an unpretentious manner. The BCH cost could really arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $241.78, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $235.06, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Money cost truly is gauged to basically arrive at in every way that really matters, most minimal cost of $228.57, showing the way that the BCH cost could essentially arrive at an especially greatest cost of $241.78, with the kind of typical expected cost around $235.06 in an unobtrusive manner. The BCH cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $253.53, with the very normal expected cost around $239.77, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value figure October 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may basically arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $235.61, while the in every way that really matters, greatest estimated cost explicitly is around $263.12, or so they explicitly thought. The in every practical sense, normal cost for BCH for the most part is generally anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach $244.56 in October 2023, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Bitcoin Money could by and large stretch around $275.35 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 certainly is $242.94, with an exceptionally normal cost of $251.90, showing that in a real sense is Bitcoin Money a very wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin Money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could stretch around $285.43 in a very significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 especially is $248.26, with a for the most part normal cost of $259.46 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin Money kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap The Bitcoin Cash S cost fundamentally has shown a great increment of 1.07% in the truly most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very huge. From especially most recent 7 days, the BCH basically was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.44% in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money truly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an unpretentious way in fact. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the kind of current cost and especially beyond 30 days cost history, it sort of is seen that Bitcoin money truly has expanded 44.729% in its worth in a truly significant manner. The extremely normal sort of least cost for the month basically is $130.31, while especially greatest fundamentally normal cost essentially was $134.63 in an especially enormous manner. This suggests that this coin really is a reasonable resource and another expansion to essentially your arrangement of coins for especially long haul, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change basically is around 45.89%. And the cost most certainly circled from a really least especially normal cost of $125.38 to greatest truly normal cost of $134.83 in the very beyond 90 days, which especially is very huge. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Bitcoin money explicitly has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Accordingly, we truly feel that comparative pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period, exhibiting how might BCH cost for the most part outperform its untouched high, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As indicated by the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is expanded from 4 months, showing how might BCH cost outperform its record-breaking high, or so they for the most part thought. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, exhibiting how this suggests that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for essentially long haul, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin especially is up by 58.31%, with the most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $103.49, and the essentially least really normal cost of explicitly was around $100.92 in genuinely beyond 4 months, which by and large is very critical. Bitcoin Money Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will by and large be Bitcoin money sort of worth in 2023, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking? The BCH cost in a real sense is determined to arrive at in every practical sense, greatest degree of $285.43, with most certainly least cost of $248.26 toward the finish of 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Does Bitcoin money most certainly have a future in a by and large significant manner? As far as value, Bitcoin money essentially has a remarkable by and large